Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to start off with saying happy holidays. I hope everybody is safe and happy and doing well. I also want to say thank you for stopping by my channel and seeing what I'm up to and hanging with me and coming on all of my adventures. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And today's video, we are going to Dollar General. We're going to be doing this $5 challenge. I came up with two scenarios today. One is for household and one is for snacks, since the kids are home on winter break from school right now. And without further ado, let's get into it. So for our first item, we are going to grab one of these Ajax. They are on sale for $1. Also, if you like palm olive, feel free to grab the palm olive. They are also on sale this week for $1. And the coupon should attach to both of them. This is the 25-cent digital Ajax and or palm olive coupon that you can go ahead and clip to your account right now so you don't forget. Then next, we are going to grab one of these Tide Simply Pods, the 13 count. They are priced at $2.95. And there is a Tide coupon that is attaching to it right here for $2 off, making that Tide Simply only 95 cents, you guys. Then next, we're going to grab one of these Airwick scented oil starter kits. They are priced at, I believe it's like $3. I'll have the price up on top here, but there is a $1.50 coupon attaching to that. All right, you guys, so we are picking up a total of 3 items priced at $7.30 for all 3. We have $3.75 in coupons. And with tax, well, for my tax here in Florida is 51 cents, making it a total of $4.06 for all of those items. So in that scenario, we are under $5, even with tax. Now let's get into our second scenario, our food scenario. So first, we're going to grab one of these Chips Ahoy's, priced at $2.75. And we are going to use this 75-cent digital coupon that is on your account. You can go ahead and clip it now so you don't forget. Then we are going to grab 2 of these Gold Peak sweet teas because there is a buy one get one free Dollar General digital coupon that some of you might have on your account. Then we're going to grab 2 of these Quaker corn rice chips priced at $1.50 each. And we are going to use this digital coupon for $1 off of 2 that you can go ahead and clip. It should be on your Dollar General account, hopefully. So then with all of those items, it should total us $8.95 for those 5 items. We have $3.35 in coupons. With tax down here in Florida, that is 11 cents, making our grand total $5.71. I know it's a little over $5, but hey, one was under, one is over. I tried, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So I hope you guys really liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button if you did. And drop a comment down below if you have any deals or any freebies that I might have missed or glitches going on at Dollar General. Thanks for hanging with me and coming on my adventure, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!